You know, I find crafting very therapeutic, especially when you're at war and stuff, because, you know, carving out people just wasn't right. You know, it was getting kind of tiring, and there was so much blood everywhere.
Enemies who craft together stay together?
I don't know. No, I don't think so. I don't think that's gonna work. So hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones, but for today I'm Cersei, and we're doing some Game of Thrones crafts, and we're here at the Bounjour America TV studios in the heart of Little Havana. That's right. Woo! And so this is my first time doing this, and we have a live studio audience. And now we're gonna do some crafts. And we're gonna do some crafts because it's, you know, Game of Thrones is coming up, and you guys all need to get ready for your Game of Thrones themed parties and stuff. So I'm going to make this lovely platter. You can serve your nachos and your dip. What else would you serve on here? The head of a dire wolf.
Stag.
A stag. There you go. Anything you want, you know? Or your drinks. You can have your drinks on here. Speaking of drinks, you can even use this. You can use the same product on glass, and you can make nice little. I love.
We're
my
getting
audience.
it.
I love my audience. So what we're gonna do here? Are you ready? Are you ready, Mr. Snow? Huh?
I am
almost there.
Almost there.
So, if you didn't know this, not only am I a queen, but I am an ambassador. That's right, I am a Plaid product ambassador, and I just got this newest product of Mod Podge. Before they used to do it, you know, before you used to have to use a brush, and it was pasty and thick. This is nice and thin, so you can pretty much use it on anything. Excuse the little dots here. We just used this before, but anyway. So all you have to do with this, and it's cool because, okay, and you're like, okay, well, why do you use Mod Podge? Why don't you use glue? Because Mod Podge, do you know why?
It's a sealant.
It's a sealant. You see? It's a sealant. So not only do we glue with Mod Podge, and it's so easy, look at this. All we do is spray and stick. And then that stuff will come off eventually. Ready? It's clear. So this one's clear and it's glossy.
Oh, you're gonna do the best house. Okay.
The what?
The best house.
The Stark house?
Yes. I mean, we don't need this one either, right?
Oh! 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 Okay. All these other shame. Okay, so we got. So who's this? This is Grow Strong, which they didn't.
I mean, if we were playing the game of let's eliminate the houses of members you've murdered, we would have an empty plate.
Oh. Or do we have enough people here?
I think we're gonna have to pick some of the ones up.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Here, I got one. All right.
The other one's over here.
Yeah. So hey, you know, everybody was picking on me because of incest. How do you feel?
But do I know?
No, but you don't. But well, oh well. So I know it looks like a mess, but you just put them on. And you can move them around. That's the good thing about the spray is you can move things around until it's like there, and then you just stick it down, and then, oh, we need this one. Because they're still around, the Greyjoys. Poor Theon. Poor Theon. Poor little Theon.
Not all of Theon made it.
I know. I don't know. I'm missing one, but that's okay. So all you have to do afterwards is spray on top, and it'll just,
And
yeah.
then,
and then it goes like that.
Oh my God.
And then if you wanted to, you can also use it on glasses. I'm showing you here. So you just go to the internet and get whatever you want and paste it onto the bottom. Or you can put a glass plate like that. And look at that. Look at that beautiful charger for your Game of Thrones themed dinner. And that's all you need is Mod Podge Ultra. Because Game of Thrones is very ultra.
Very.
Speaking of which, we're going to be at UltraCon. So check us out next weekend, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there you go. Mod Podge Ultra. Thank you, Plaid. And thank you guys, my studio audience. And we'll be right back with one more Easter Game of Thrones mashup.